Digital Events is an experiential marketing firm specializing in personalizing giveaways at activations worldwide. The consumer journey we provide is unique, and we recognize that the experience is as important as the giveaway itself. Let us show you the complete journey as seen through the eyes of an attendee. First, the attendee starts their customization experience by submitting their request directly on a custom branded tablet or by scanning a QR code and completing their request on their mobile device. After they submit their request, they immediately receive a branded text message confirming their request. The text includes their unique job number, their position in the queue, and the estimated completion time for their request. The text continues by letting them know that they will receive an additional text once their item is ready for pickup. The guest can always reply to the text by simply texting status, and they will receive a new text with their updated position in the queue and the new estimated completion time. Attendees can wait for their item to be completed in the booth and watch it being produced live on a large monitor. In addition, our Vista board flip slat board displays the next 10 jobs to be completed. These displays are frequently found in train stations and by themselves are very engaging and entertaining with the constant motion of the display updating. During production, a video is recorded of their actual item being made. When done, the video is tagged with the guest's job number and automatically watermarked with the client's logo. A text message is sent to the attendee so they know that their item is ready for pickup. The text includes a link to watch the video and includes your company's hashtag so attendees can share the video and their experience on social media. At the end of the day, you can easily track your ROI of your invested swag and get real-time feedback from your attendees. Completed items are tagged with the attendee's name, job number, and sorted in numerical order by job number. This makes picking up very easy, fast, and organized. Attendees simply show or tell the BA their job number to pick up their item. Digital Events provides a user experience that's unequaled in the industry. Our on-site personalization and customization experiences are available throughout the United States, Europe, and the Pacific Rim.